Have you ever found yourself wondering how some people seem to have it all? Success in their careers, plenty of time for their family, and a smile on their faces no matter how chaotic life gets? Meet Dan, a commercial cleaner who had been working long hours, struggling to keep up with the demands of his growing cleaning business. Despite his best efforts, he was constantly exhausted and couldn't find enough time for his family. Dan would miss significant events like his daughter's soccer games and even missed her birthday celebration on one occasion. But then, Dan discovered the power of floor machine weights through a chance encounter with another cleaner. At first, he was skeptical. Could adding a simple 40-pound weight to his floor machine really make that much of a difference? But he decided to give it a try, and the results were nothing short of extraordinary. With the added muscle of the floor machine weights, Dan was able to strip, scrub, clean, and polish floors in record times. Jobs that previously took him up to 12 hours were now completed in half the time. Dan's clients began to notice the difference too. They were amazed at how quickly and efficiently he could complete their floor cleaning jobs, and word began to spread. Dan's business started to flourish, and his revenue and profits began to soar. But the most incredible part of this transformation was that Dan finally had time to spend with his wife and daughter, time to relax and recharge, and time to finally feel in control of his life. As Dan reflects on his business journey, he realizes that the floor machine weights were much more than a simple cleaning tool. They represented a turning point in his life, a catalyst for change that allowed him to reignite his enthusiasm for his work and reestablish family time, which he cherished the most. Now, it's your turn to experience the same life-changing transformation. It's time to add floor machine weights to your cleaning equipment and watch as your cleaning jobs become faster and more efficient than ever before. Don't miss out on the opportunity to revolutionize your cleaning business and reclaim precious time with your loved ones. Try floor machine weights and experience the difference firsthand. Increased efficiency, boosted profits, and the priceless gift of quality time spent with family await you. Start your journey to cleaning success today.